In this video, we are going to discuss one of the Olympiad problem. Many of the students will do the mistake in these type of problems. So here the problem is root over 5 into root over 5 into root over 5 is equal to 125 whole to the power of x. Then what is the value of x? So now in the solution, what I am taking is, given that root over 5 into root over 5 into root over 5 is equal to 125 whole to the power of x. See here, what I am doing is first to find the value of x. Now I am doing squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So here root over 5 into root over 5 into root over 5 is equal to here 125 whole to the power of x. Now I am squaring on both sides. See what happens here. Now this square and this root gets cancelled. Now this implies we get here 5 into root over this 5 into root over 5, right, is equal to, here this is like a to the power of m. We have here one of the properties, a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n, that is mn. So here a is 125 and m is x and n is 2. So as per this property, we can write it as 125 whole to the power of x. 2 into x is 2x. 125 whole to the power of 2x. So now again I am doing what? Again here squaring on both sides. Again squaring, operating square on both sides. So again squaring on both sides, we get here, so this implies here 5 into root over 5 into root over 5 is equal to 125 whole to the power of 2x here already. So now what I am doing, operating square on both sides. Now what happens here? Here 5 is there, no? This becomes 5 square. So 5 square is 25 and this square and this root gets cancelled. Again 5 into 5 into 5 into root over 5 is equal to, here same this property by using this property. So here 125 whole to the power of 2x into 2, like a to the power of m whole power n is equal to a to the power of m into n. Like that here 125 whole to the power of 2x into 2, that is 4x. See now here 25 into 5, so it becomes 125. It becomes what? 125. So here, so 25 into 5, it becomes 125. So into root over 5, which is equal to, so 125 whole to the power of 4x. See here, again squaring on both sides. So I get here 5 square, that is 25, and this root gets cancelled. So what I get here, so 25 into 5 into root over 5 which is equal to 125. This is like a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. Like that, this is 125 whole to the power of 4x. Now what I am doing is here, this 125 sending to this side. So now it becomes here, which is becomes, so this implies, so now here left hand side, so root 5 is equal to, here this 125 sending to the right side, so it becomes 125 whole power 4x by 125. By 125. Here, what is the power of 125? Which is 1. So, this is like we have the property a to the power of m by a to the power of n, which is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Using this property, the right hand side becomes, so root 5 is equal to here, which is 125 whole to the power of 4x minus 1. Right? Now what I am doing is again squaring on both sides. Again squaring on both sides. This is third time I am doing squaring on both sides. So again squaring on both sides. Again squaring on both sides. What happens here? So the left hand side we have root 5 whole square, which is equal to the right hand side here, so 125 whole to the power of 4x minus 1 and squaring on both sides. Now what happens here? This square and root gets cancelled. So we have 5 is equal to, here using the same property here, like a to the power of m whole power n, which is equal to a to the power of mn. So this becomes 125 whole to the power of, so here, so 2 into 4x minus 1. 2 into 4x minus 1. So now here it becomes, so 5 which is equal to 125 whole to the power of, so which is, if you multiply by 2, so this is 8x and 2 into 1 is, so 2, so finally we get 8x minus 2. Now what I am doing is here, we know that 125 can be written as 5 power 3. Is it? So now what I am doing is 5 is equal to this 125 writing as 5 power 3 whole to the power of here 8x minus 2. Now again using same property here, a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. So here also we get 5 is equal to 5 to the power of, again here 3 into 8x minus 2. Now what happens here? This implies this 5 is equal to, so right hand side again if you multiply by 3, these two terms, we get what here? 3 into 8 is 5 power, so 24x, and this is 3 into minus 2 is 6. See, observe both sides here. So left hand side is also 5, right hand side is also 5. But left hand side, the power of 5 is 1 here. So 5 power 1 is equal to 5 to the power of 24 minus x. So this is like the property, suppose a to the power of m, so which is equal to a to the power of n, so this implies it can be written as m is equal to n. Same here, 5 to the power of n is equal to 5 to the power of 24 minus 6. So here m is 1, n is 24x minus 6. So that's why it can be written as 1 is equal to 24x minus 6. So from this we get, so 1 plus 6 is equal to, so this minus 6 if you write left hand side, it becomes plus 6 is equal to 24x. So from this 7 is equal to, so 24x. So from this we can find the value of x is equal to 7 by 24. So therefore the value of x is equal to 7 by 24. Like this we can solve these type of problems very easily.